into my video. Hi guys, I'm going to start our interactive video today with a lesson from Foundations on syllable division. This is our rule over here. Our rule, I'm going to start off just like we do in class by telling you anytime we have a V, which is a vowel, a consonant vowel word is going to be a short sound. Okay, so this is going to be our short vowel. And our second rule to this syllable division is anytime we have a vowel and a consonant vowel, it's going to make a long sound. And because we're in third grade, we no longer clap out our syllables. We do the scoop method. And so this right here, let me change my colors here. This is what your paper is talking about, scooping. So anytime you see on your worksheets where it says to scoop, that's what you're doing with your words. You're underlining those words because in third grade, we're big kids now. We're no longer clapping out those syllables. We're scooping out those words, okay? And you can see here, I'm going to do an activity with you today, which is called I do, we're going to do, and then you're going to do, okay? So we're going to follow our rules here to make a short and a long vowel word with our syllable division for our Foundations lesson. So anytime we are scooping out our words, where we scoop out to make our syllable words, we put our lines that divide our syllables, just like we do in class, okay? So on your sheet, I understand that I copied and I sent over to you guys. You may not have a copy of it, or maybe your parents printed it out for you. If they did, great. If they didn't, it's okay. You can just write your word on a piece of loose leaf paper. So with this activity that we're going to do, you're going to need a piece of paper, piece of notebook paper with your holes on the left, and you're going to need a pencil, okay? So over here, I'm going to demonstrate first. The first word that we're going to demonstrate with is the word apple, okay? So I need to be able to decide if this word apple is going to be a short or a long vowel word. And I need to scoop out my word. Because we're in third grade, we're big kids, we no longer count out our syllables, so I need to scoop it out. Apple, okay? Draw my line, just like we do in class, okay? So, I need to find out which rule does it apply. Does it apply to rule number 1? Or does it apply to rule number 2? Okay? If it applies to number 1, it's going to make it a short. If it applies to rule number 2, it's going to make it long. So, let's take a look. My A is a vowel. My P is a consonant. My P is a consonant, vowel. So I have rule 1. So I know that since I scooped it out, I have a vowel, consonant, vowel. This is short, so I have a short word here. Okay, so my syllable division is done. I've scooped out my word. And I have all of my scoops in place. And I can actually label this. I'll use the blue. I have a vowel, consonant, vowel. That E is silent. It doesn't make a sound. Okay? So this word is done. Okay? We're going to do this next one together. Okay? So the word is startle. If I startle something, I scare it. Okay? Let me write my L a little Okay, startle. I need to decipher if it's going to follow the rule for 1 or if it's going to follow my rule number 2. Okay, so then I need to scoop it out. Okay, startle. Okay, so I have here I have a blend here. So my blends are going to go together. And I have that's a different color. I have a vowel, a consonant, 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 vowel. So it would follow my rule for my first one. So it's going to be a short. So I put my short symbol up above my A, like I do for my apple. Okay. And this one you're going to do. Okay. Your word is bangle. Okay, bangle. I want you to try it. You're going to decipher first if it's going to fit in rule number 1 or rule number 2. Scoop it out, just like we did here. Put your scoops, and then divide your word just like we do in class with your half line. Okay, and then I want you to notate your vowels and your consonants. Okay. Okay. So then your question for me is going to be, where am I going to show you, Miss Jones, my answer? Okay. So on my block page where you can send me a message, that's where you're going to put your answer. It's going to look a little different because you're not going to be able to put scoops and lines. Okay. I want you to tell me what letter. So you're going to, your page is good. Yours is going to look like this. I want to see vowel, consonant, 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 vowel if it's for rule 1. If it's for rule 2, I want to see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And I want you to tell me which letters it bumps up to. Okay? That should be able to tell me if it's rule number 1 or rule number 2. And then I can check your answer. Okay? I miss you guys, and I will be having a group chat on Wednesday at 9 a.m. At the top of your Google page, your whichever block you're in, there is a Google Meets code that you're going to log into. You're just going to click that icon. So at 9 o'clock, I'm going to be chatting with each one of you guys to see how you're doing, to see if you are having any questions with the interactive homework, to see if there's any questions that you're, maybe any problems that you're having. If there's any way that I can help you with any of the problems with the foundation sheets, or if you're having any problems with the story that I have put on your Google Classroom. Also with the Social Studies Weekly, that is due Friday. Okay. I hope you are enjoying yourself on this break. Not that we want to be away. Staying safe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.